birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Kay Albert, happy birthday! Kay Albert, thank you for always supporting Involve. Damang-dama ko yun ever since. Wala pa si Solid Eman, kayo ni Ate Lily have always been there, giving anything and everything that you have. Input, resources, energy, heart, time, talagang, many years. Nadama ko how much you love yung campus ministry and how much you love God. And I think ito yung reason why we have two of the most amazing bros involved, Sol and Eman.
That's true.
Yung iyong great offsprings.
Yeah, I just want to reiterate that we're just really grateful sa family ninyo. You are great blessings, not just to Involve, but the whole church. And we see how you are as a dad, as someone your sons look up to. Right now, they put their hearts in the church, their love in the church, not just the church, but to the people. And we're just really grateful to be showered by your love, your family's love. So thank you, Kuya Albert. Enjoy your day. Our prayers is for you to live longer life.
Yeah.
And be healthy.
Yes. Salamat for always letting us into your home sa may Pasay and sa Balele, and dropping us off in the car and using yung letting you Involve use the car, and in the many other ways you serve sa ICOC Manila, sa ushering, sa Pasay, sa leadership. You are a great dad, a great brother, a great leader. Happy birthday, Kuya Albert!
Happy birthday!
Love you!
We love you!
Hi Bets, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We wish you good health.
Sana yung mga anak natin maging magkaibigan din kasi tagal ng pagkakaibigan natin.
Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Ako, I'm proud to have a brother sa kingdom na katulad mo. Alam ko malalim yung pagmamahal mo kay God kasi sa pagkakakilala ko sa'yo, kahit na anong unos ang dumaan sa buhay mo, ay andyan ka pa rin, no? At kung ano man ang mga blessing ni God sa'yo, nakikita ko na nagiging blessing din ng mga kapatid, no? Sinishare mo kung anong meron ka, at nakikita ko na ang laking tulong, no, sa mga kapatiran, sa simbahan, lalo na yung mga kapatid na may pangangailangan, no? Bro, continue sa ganong encouragement. I know nakikita niyo ni God, your work is not in vain, and si God na ang bahala sa'yo, sa pamilya mo, at nawa lalo pang ibigay ni God yung dinidesire ng heart mo, Bro, happy birthday, and you may enjoy your birthday today. Thank you, bro.
Happy birthday, Albert.
Oh yeah, happy birthday ulit.
Chairman, bro, Bets, happy birthday. Thank you very much for your service, for your example, and for your leadership. And nawa ay i-bless ka pa more ni God and be a blessing to many other people. And soon, mag-retire na rin at mag-farming na rin tayo.
Hi, Boss Albert. Happy 49th birthday. Appreciate ko talaga na isa ka sa mga brother na magaling magplano. Especially sa build. And ako I respect every time na nagbibigay ka ng mga suggestion about paano mag-grow yung isang ministry, yung isang project sa simbahan. Kaya thank you bro for being generous sa simbahan, especially sa family, sa Maynila, sa Pasay. Mga resources na meron kayo ni Lily, sinashare mo talaga yon. And nakaka-inspire din yung mga anak mo. I love Solomon, I love Eman. Very close sila sa heart ko at grateful ako na magkakaibigan sila ng mga anak ko din. Kuya-kuya sila, buddy-buddy sila. Kaya ang dami mong ang dami mong blessing sa buhay, especially yung family mo, yung wife mo, and yung talent mo, yung skills mo to lead people. Dahil dyan, nag-glorify sila. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, bro. Bye!
Hi Bets, happy birthday at we hope for the best year para sa iyo at salamat sa friendship at what you do is an inspiration especially sa build. Ang dami nang nakakarinig, worldwide ka na. So congratulations and enjoy ka sa special na araw na to para sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Albert. Isa ka sa mga generous na tao na nakilala ko. Hindi lang sa simbahan, sa pamilya mo, at sa maraming tao. Nawa ay patuloy kang lumakas, you know. Pangalagaan ni God ang health mo dahil, marami pang mga purpose or gustong gawin si God sa buhay mo. Salamat sa friendship at na-appreciate namin yan ni Ariel.
Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Bets! Maligayang kaaraw, Bets. Grabe, mag-golden years na rin pala tayo next year. Pero excited kami for that year and I know it's another year of blessing from God to you. Siyempre hindi ko nakakalimutan yung birthday mo kasi birthday ni nanay yan eh. And ayun, hinihikab yung isa kasi maaga pa dito eh. Again, Bets, thankful kami sa friendship mo. Ang prayer namin sa'yo, good health, syempre, at mas pagpalain ka pa ni God ng maraming bagay. Maligayang kaarawan ulit.
Hi, Bets. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health, more wealth, and more blessings, and also with your family. Kay Lily at sa mga bata at sa mga kay mama at sa mga kapatid mo. Happy birthday ulit, Andrea. Tell something.
Happy birthday.
Tito Pets.
Hello, ba?
What's going on? Say, what's
Do you
going
remember
on?
that?
What's going on?
Happy birthday ulit, Bets. We love you.
Bye.
Happy 49th birthday, Kuya Albert. Make this year count. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya Albert! Wishing you the best of health as always.
And we wish you more birthdays to come.
We love you!
Hi, Sir Albert. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Chet.
Happy birthday, Sir Bates, my best friend.
Happy birthday, Tito Chet. Thank you po sa lahat ng tulong at suporta niyo po sa amin. Ingat po kayo palagi. Love you po.
Hello po, Tito Che. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo dyan. Love you.
Hello po, Kuya Che. Happy birthday po. See you soon and may God bless you more.
Happy birthday to one of my idols and low-key inspiration, Kuya Che. Ang wish ko po sa inyo at maging kay Ate Lily, Sol at Eman ay masagana, mapayapa at healthy na pamilya. Kita-kits po soon!
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Happy birthday,
Enjoy your
Kuya!
day! Sana magustuhan mo ang pork binagoongan.
Love you!
Happy birthday, we love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya! More birthdays to come. Tsaka good health. Good health. Good health. Good health.
Hi, Kuya Che. It's Diva. I just want to say happy birthday. I love you.
Che, happy birthday. Sana ay i-bless pa kayo ni Lord ng marami pang mga blessings para maging daluyan kayo ng pagpapala sa ibang tao. Ang aking wish ay peace of mind at sana ay better health para sa iyo, kay Lily at sa mga bata. Alam ko masaya kayo nitong mga nakaraang araw dahil kasama mo ang pamilya mo. Sana ay patuloy kayong pagpalain ang inyong pagsasama. At happy anniversary na rin sa inyong dalawa ni Lily. God bless and happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Cheche. Happy birthday. Sana loobin ng Panginoon na magkita-kita ulit tayo. Magkakapatid. Bless you. Ingat ka dyan. Bye-bye.
Sineselebrate na namin yung birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Stay safe, healthy, and see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday! I love you, I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Miss you all. Love you.